Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about how you can expand your design thinking toolbox. Hi everyone, I'm Abhay and today we are going to deep dive into how you can improve your research skills, and I'm going to tell you 5 to 6 different toolbox that you can use in your process to learn more about design and how you can improve your design, and there will be a lot of resources in it. This will be a short video, but I hope you can get a lot from it. So the first design thinking toolbox is from IBM. I will link all of these things in the description box below so you can see in the website that it goes from as in scenario maps to empathy maps to experience based road maps, which we see very rare, then till storyboard. So you can click on any of them and you can learn about them. There will be a step by step process how you can go about it. There will be instructions, so you can you can go through this website and you can learn about more and more things. Now going forward, the second toolbox is from Hyper Island Toolbox. So again, all of these links will be in the description box below. So you can see here they are talking about energizers, innovation, self-leadership, action, and team. So you can click over here and you can click over to anything. For example, if I click critical thinking mindset, so it is a 30 to 60 minutes thing. So it talks about what are the steps that you need to take, about how much time would it take, and more things about it. So you can have a look around that and you can experiment as much as you want to do. Now going forward, the next toolbox is from strategy Geyser, and this website is something that I say it helps you build a great product. It helps you more towards insight of how you can build a good company. You can have there are a lot of sessions, you can check them out as well, and you can explore this website as you go as well. The next toolbox is a design method toolbox, which I found online. This is the one that I really love about, because there are a lot of different sessions, or I would say tools that I or particular topics that I can talk about. For example, you can see that in the first one only there is a one-on-one interview. If I click over there, it's a 4 hour one day. What are the tasks that I should do? The next method, I can go to the next one. So this is so important, when we should do it, output, what should be the output, what should be next, what are the references. Everything is written over here, so you can get a lot of information out of it, even though it doesn't come from a very great company, but it has a great amount of resources. The next toolkit is from Innovation Toolkit. So this is a really great one too. You can find empathy mapping, journey maps, goal trees, rapid ideation, storyboarding, in-depth interviews, and more and more. So it follows the process of explore, choose, make, test, and then explore again. So when I go into empathy mapping, I see that again there is a particular video talking about these things. There's a purpose, there is when to run this, how much time would it take, input materials, and everything. There's a template that you can download as well. So this is something that I really love. So if you don't know how to do these things, you can go to these websites and learn from them as well. Now going forward, the next one is from a great website that I really love, that is the Atlassian. This is called Team Playbook Toolkit. So there's also a lot of videos, a lot of sessions. You can talk about user manuals, learning cycle, work life cycle, prioritization, all the things, and a elevator pitch, and a lot of all the things. So you can check this out as well. I hope this particular video helps you out, and you definitely check out the links in the description, and definitely visit them out, and try to give your opinion in the comment box below. So yeah, if this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.